Hello everyone, in this quick Google Sheet tutorial, I'll show you how to combine two columns into one, perfect for merging names, addresses or any kind of data. Let's say column A has first name and column B has last name. In a new column, type this formula, that is equals to A2 and double quotation mark 2 times and B2. Let's combine the first and last name with a space in between. Now press enter and that's it, you have got a full name. To apply it to the rest of the column, just click and drag the little square in the corner down. Now all your names are combined. Want to keep just the combined text? Copy the new column, then right click and choose paste special values only. It's just a plain text and that's it. Quick and easy column combining in Google Sheet. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe and let me know what other sheet tips you want to know.